Lai General Zaunivel Ten Za Kantlina Zerkachung Tongpang Thar Arel Tu Mersirim Sangwan Zathang Tongpang Thar Tlangpi Puvi Zirsangchu Chief Executive Member Cha Team C Youth Convention NYK Tiptuanak in Manisi Republic Day Lomna Kungkawa Meeting on True Central Yanglai Association ni Chief Minister Pulal Thanhol Chunga Lomnak Biachim Lai the Teacher Orientation Training Nini Chung Ange Thongpang Fiang Phai Dewing Puvi Zirsangchu Chief Executive Member Cha Team CE Lai Atungaw District Council ni Chief Executive Member Ngay Lawin Chan Sanon Anung Hua January Ni Zan Laya Khan LADC Congress Legislature Party CLP Leader Thuna Kolongkai Terrorist Coach Ngay CE Pu Chongku Mizoram Pradesh Congress Committee IO Tilpi Nag in Hi Chan Han Nagahin Puvi Zirsang MDC Phaithar Constituency Belt to Chu CLP Leader Team C Chun Deputy Leader Pu F Shanglur MDC Lungtian Constituency Belt to Treasurer Pu Lallekhum MDC Batrampi Constituency Belt to Secretary Pu H Chuanom MDC College Bank Belt to Le Chairman Pu F Royer MDC Lungpher Constituency Belt to Na Thiman Sifon Lai Atungaw District Council Congress Legislature Party Leader E Team Asinuin Chief Executive Member Asikauding Lompi tu Mipi Pu Vizirsang in Mai Apumi Sina Uvan Lalvan Puzir Upani Biatoy Chimnaka LADCE a member Hoilini and Kensi in Alangi Antunga Kanilom Tak Mipi ni Lungfimnak Chimpeng Zong Kantu Tia Chimi Pathian Sina Lunglomnak Kachamnak Angi Phone Jun Ama Puzir Lopinak Lakpakle Changreo Din Etiao Asi Hizana Hin an in Katin Lopitu Hoi Komtale Mipi and Kaltia Thong Kanthe Phone Youth Convention NYK Tiptuanak in Manisi January Nihlelia Khan Nehru Yavakendra NYK Tiptuanak in Longklai District SSA BRC Hola Longklai Youth Convention Ngay ACE Hichan Hi Additional Deputy Commissioner POR Sangloini Anghanpi Bia Chima Naka Additional DC Ni Chun NYK Hi Manthiam Sia Chun Minaw Na Cha Lam Sial Tu Poimo Ngai Mi ACP Na Dir Chwa Pinak Ling Asitia Achim Chun Kanram Minaw Na Anipek Nak Athupo A Kanram Ni Kar Hanton I Changthar Minaw Santlai Ter Dingin NYK Ni Timlam Nak Angay Mi Na Chu Zum Okak Asi Minaw Na Ni Chu Ahmu Dingin Fak Piin Chan Anlak Ahaw Tia Achim Phone Hichan Hi SR Noi Zonal Director NYK Mizoram Zone Ni Atelpi Nai Minaw Na Cha Khwa Cheo Tia Achim Phone Youth Convention Hin NYKS Malak Nak I Chimwa Nak Na Lasak Thiam Lasak Ngay Nak Na Sinua NYK Tang I Club Na Sina Pumpalul Alak in Anipot Republic Day Lomnak Kongkawa Meeting to Asi January Nithai Thumakhan Additional Superintendent of Police Zung Chamber Longklai Vengpia Indian Republic Day Kum Thong Hil Li Lomnak Parade Contingent Rehearsal Ngay Danding Le Thil Poi Herdang Dang Na Chein Longklai District Republic Day Celebration Subcommittee 2 and 2 Parade Contingent Rehearsal Hi January Nikul Jing Lei Similan Paruka Central Yanglai Association Playground Ngay Ding Asilai Tia Bikhya Nak Antua Hi meeting Hin Longklai Qualipi Chung Mizoram Chawja Department IO Le Lai Atungaw District Council IO Officer Zaimazat Anitel Central Yanglai Association Ni Chief Minister Pulal Thanhol Chunga Lopnak Bian Chim Longklai District Inam Governmental Organization Ngan Chem Yanglai Association Nol Ngay Tu Assam Big Mi Central Yanglai Association General Executive Committee Kum Thong Hil Helia Avoy Khatnak Chu COL Zumpi LADC Complexa January Ni Sompali Akhan Anchu Hi Chan Shoi Tu Puezet Tuang COL President Ni Chun Mizoram MLA Thim Nak Tuang Ti In Akalpina Lai District E MLA Pani Hani Dear Mun Changai Te, Minister of State Le, Parliamentary Secretary Rian Tlaitu An Hong Sikhohi, Lairam Cha Pathian Bongmal Somnak Asi, Central Waile Ni Chun, Chief Minister Bulatan Hall Chunga Lungrum Nagbia An Chimtia Achim. Christmas Day kum thar chana Lairam Chunga, Nok Naglian, Tung Shol Inu Nakchu, Waile member Ipek Nagruanga Asi Tia Chimphone. He meeting a hin Waile Dinner Conference to February Nihlei Riad in Nikul Chung Bachwang Bipwa Manasise the Engineer Conference meeting in Hermithil and Chaitna. Laita Teacher Orientation Training Nichung and Gay January Nihlenga in Nihlei Ruptiang Lai Atunwak District Council Education and Human Resource Department ni Laita Chomter to Lak Tharmile Lak Chimi Nacha Nichung Orientation Training Angik Pina He Laita Training He Lai Atunwak District Council Board of School Education ni Lairam Chung Laita Chonmi Atharin and Timtuacha Aher Ngai mi an Sitia No Ngay Tu Pol ni an Roi Tucha Tu Kum Thong Hil Hei Li Siang In Thoklan an Tua Hi Si An Zapi Te In Lairam Chunga In Laita Teacher Hi Lakmi Minung Akhat Som Hi Le Akhat Lau Mi Som Hi An Hinha Hi Lairam Chungi Laihar An Man Lau Nak Mun Le Kwa An Chiana Tutan Orientation Training Hin Andi Lakin Miling Som Thum An Kai Khawi An Hinaka Tun Som Thum Leng An Kai Khaw Hi Chana Hin Primary School Education Officer Po SD Kamthang Chu Khwalian Cha Manasi Khwalian Ni Chun Abichin Naka Nanni Laita Teachers Polhi Kanram Hautuleni Athiam Tia Anin Lagmi Nansi Cha Le Lairam Cheuter Tu Ding Nansi Cha Lungthil Le Betak Te In Nanrian Nantuan Hautia Aforfian Na Jun Laita Chimtu Dinga Puke Shekong Associate Professor of Government Longtlai College Le Pu Salai Arlanim Namansi Hinap Ni Hin Lai Alphabet In Anthoki Anher Nga Ding Mi Thil Bia Lihla Chon Piak Ning Le Lemchan Chon Piak Ning Na An Chim Na Pina Bifang Lam Ning Le Chon Piak Ning Tiangin An Chim Chi Na Lai Atunwak District Council Village Council Draft Electoral Roll Tar Sichang LADC Chung Village Council Team Na Ding Electoral Roll Third Tot Nakcha Draft Electoral Roll 2 District Election Officer Pu Je Ming Than Moi Ni Longkai DC Conference Hola Atlang Zar Political Party Shwai Tu Na Sina Khot Chot Na Final Electoral Roll Belte Chu February Ni Thuma Thursday Lai Hi Tlang Zar Nak Chan An Man Hua Hin AEORO Khya Mi Minung Hei Hi Na Ni Deputy Commissioner Shri Shwai Nak In Electoral Roll Thar Tua Kum Kaw Training An Ngei Chot Phone Atu Dirhun LADC Hom Chunga Hin Village Council Samrat Le Pasare Liao Hi Pina Hin LADC Session Ni Visitor Paruk Tua Chap Dinga Hatlak Nak Arak Tua Chan Governor Ni Hatlak Pi Asia Jun Adi Lakin LADC VC Songkwa Le Pathum An Thim Nak Lai Tina Asi Draft Electoral Roll Hin Vote Ngai Khau Minung Sang Le Thongkhat Zathum Somi Le Pariat Anum Atu VC Dir Liao Hi February Thla Hin Andong Chang Lai Chucha Chun VC Team Nak Ding Hi Tim Tua Chwa Ma Si Vole Tung Lai Mi Ni Tha Rena Calendar Khamin Phun Khat Man Do Kan Sijang Tutan Thong Hi Le Thli In Lai Atunwak District Council Le Lairam Jesus Christ Baptist Church Ni Tha Rena An Tua Sermia Chun Aliam Chia Kundang Lo Ti Lawin Chin Association for Christian Communication Ni Tha Min An Natlak Mi January Dongkar February No Hong March Vaute April Vaupi May Biang Re June Pur July Chiapa August Tiang September Thazi October Thautha November Sikpar Le December Dipa Tia An Hanve Chang Hiban Tukin Lai Atunwak District Board of School Education Ni Kum Thong Hi Le Thlei Thumkhan Arak Kalpi Masai Atu Kum Thok In Krifa Bule LADC Information Department Ni An Van Zu Ve Hi Asi Lana Jun Chakle Klang Lai Mini Pundang Veve in Nithare Nag Mihi Kanrak Ngay Asina in Nipun Punkat Asimini Nithare Nag Nipundang Chia in Ngay Hi Til Chikho Asilocha Hiban Tukin Kan Ramfroy Tulini Anvan Tip to Ahi Asi Nithare Nag Min I Khalong Silo in Til Dang Zonga Kami Khadi Te Lai Tia Tampini Anzum January Nitlenga Khan MNF District Headquarters Office Longkai Bazar Michu Kumthong Hilei Li Cha Honesi Mizo National Front Headquarters Office Honna Pumna Ka Hin Puvi Van Thong District Treasurer Ni Pumna Ki Ashwai Chan Mangtu Puke Lian Siam General Secretary Ni Chun MNF Party Poli Kan Kal Kho Peng Nak Dinga Jisu Khri Thong Thubia He RM in Kaltim Nau Si Tia Chin Hi Pumna Ka Hin Zapi Khamnak An Ngai Dina Puleram Lian Kolni President District Headquarters Longkai Ni Chun Kumthong Ni Lei Li Cha MNF District Headquarters to Hon Asibia Ching in Kumthong Ni Lei Thum MLA election MNF Dirmun Asinak in Kan Ichang Kho Nak Ding Cha Pathian Ni Kho Akhan Ti Arwat Nau Si Tifon Jun OMC Muntlung Vice President Zongni Bechim Nak Angai Atu Kan Dirmun Janghin Maile Pan in Kalchang Nau Si Tia Bia Chim MNF Party Hi Mipun Party Si Cha Kan Dir Chan A Ifyang Nau Si Tia Chinfon World Vision India Chintui ADP Tanga Women Self Help Group Ni January Nihlei Seria Training Le Grading Ange January Nihlei Seria Khan Nabat Le World Vision Bom in Anrakal Pi Changmi Women Self Help Group Nani June January Nihlei Seria Suai Le Hola Training Ange Group Rian Atwan Chami Grading Chan and Mangchol Hi Chan Hi PH Banner Kim Project Coordinator Women Self Help Group World Vision Longkai Ni Chun Chan Shwai Puleram Lian Yente PDIC Le Ala Thanzam CDC World Vision Nani Chon Piagnak Ampe Hi training ahin Self Help Group member na chu group Tining Le Atumta Mi group Tra Le Thing Mi Ngai Kho Na Ding Cha Chon Piak Ansi Chun Benglon Ala Khoding in Self Help Group na chu Nge Saknak An Ngai Na World Vision India Chintui Pui ADP Ni Hin Nabat He Ibom in Women Self Help Group Hi Kumthong Hi Lei Ni Mekha Thokhan Longtai District Ahin Chonga Inanrak Kalpi Atua Chun Self Help Group Sanga Le Somga An Ngai Changi Hi Kalaka Hin Group Somga Na Ni Chun Benglon Mangin Rian An Chuan Liao Misi Fak Na Ni An Thitnem Pi Ngai Tibia Kan The United States of America Ummi Ralu Poni Lairam Media Group of Nak Ampe Wage Lairam Chung Media Group Brand Ran Nakcha US Le Ummi Laini Anlakan Bomleng Mangcha Ban Tukin Atu Tanzonga US Wal U Poni Dollar Zonga in Ankan Bomtran Hihi India Paisa Chun Si Le Sanga Khansi Hiban Tukin Laini Kan Ran Nak A Munkip Khwa Sami Kan lai una poli an kan philoi an kan bomleng mangcha hin an chunga lunglam nak tampi kan ngei tia Lairam Media Group Longklai ni chuna chim laimi pum khatcha an ram tron nak le laimi an zon ro naka pathian thachwa vanlu patient na se tia LNG ni khaza kan champiak na hiban tukhin India na Chin Baptist Church le USA laimi khrifa bu poldang dang ni Anrak kan bom chang na an chunga kan lom tuk shin shan dom ten nak lai thong pang tlang pi Puvi Jir Sang Chu Chief Executive Member cha thim si Youth Convention NYK tim to nak in manasi Republic Day lom na kum kawa meeting an thro Central Young Life Association ni Chief Minister Platon Hall chunga lom nak bian chin Laika teacher orientation training ni chung an nge